Hello everyone, this is Zoe.
Hello everyone, this is Janice.
Today I'm going to introduce the BC spilt connector for you. This connector is made of solid brass and they are used to connect and bond copper wires. There are many sizes for you to choose, both suit small and large wires. You can see there are clear markings on the top to distinguish different sizes. Tin plated or copper plated are on your request. When we use this connector, just put the wires into the slot and then tighten the nut. If you want to order this product, please advise the diameter of the wires and then we will recommend the sizes for you. Thank you.